Today we're gonna install Flutter on Windows. So let's go to the Flutter website. We're gonna click Get Started, Windows, and then you're gonna click this thing and it should start downloading, but I'm gonna cancel that because I already got it right here. Yeah, so that takes a hot second, but once you're done, you can open it and then drag it out to your desktop like this, or wherever you want to drag it out to, and then you'll have this thing. Then, wait, do I have Flutter installed right now? Did I already install it? Okay, well basically you're gonna go here, open up your start menu, type environment variables, and you're gonna click here, environment variables, and you're gonna go to path right here, this thing, click edit. No, it looks like I do not have it. So we're gonna say new, browse, go to the Flutter folder, click bin, and then after that click OK, click OK again, click OK again, and one more time. And now if you open up a command prompt or something, you can type flutter doctor, and then it'll take a hot second again, but you'll have something like this come up. Yeah, so I have a lot of issues here, but yeah. So let's also install Flutter for VS Code. So open up VS Code. This is my go-to text editor. You can click here for Marketplace or extensions. And I already have Flutter, so I'm gonna uninstall it and then reload and then reinstall it just to show you. So click here, Marketplace, type in Flutter. Flutter pops up, and install. You click reload. And this will also install Dart with it if you don't already have it. And now you can open up the command prompt in here. Let's just cd to the desktop, and now you can start using Flutter commands like flutter create. Let's say I wanted to make an app. Oh, I don't really have any app ideas, so I'll just say app. And then it's going to do all that, and then you click open folder, navigate to your desktop, click app, select the folder. Then look at that, wow, ooh, it's all the default code. And if you want to get the, what is it called? The emulator, you can, if you're on Windows, you can download Android Studio. And yeah, but it doesn't work on my computer for some reason, something with my hardware, CPU or something. So I just plug in my Android phone. But yeah, thanks for watching.